Hi guys, it's me Turbo again. I'm here on a frozen lake in Germany. Up there, you see that peak over there? That's the top of Germany. There are cable cars going up there, and the cable cars are held by a line of ropes with a tower at the top. Now turn around here. Look at those frozen clouds on the ground because of the frozen lake. And look, there are lots of footprints here and some ice blocks on the floor. There are little ice blocks on the floor. See? That's the frozen water. And look at that area. That was supposed to be water, but now it's all snow and ice. Crazy, isn't it? Look at this crack down here. It's really big, isn't it? I think that's the ice that made it separate because it looks like a cross to me. So that's it. Look at all those clouds. They're so cool. I never knew clouds could be on the snow. Look at, oh wow, there's another one. Yeah, this one's really big, isn't it? Look at it. It's pretty wide. I think that's an inch. Ooh, look at that ice. Oh, look at it. It's really hard. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.